Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this beef liver curry. It's very quick to make. It's absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have here. In the center, I've got our liver, beef liver. Cut it into kind of nice little pieces. You can cut it any size you want actually. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of yogurt or curd, some green chilies, up to what you want to put in, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 of cumin and 1 of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. Now, regarding the liver, some people want to wash it. You can wash it in lemon juice or in vinegar if you want to kind of get rid of its taste, or you can leave it just as it is. Up to you. Very simply, we're going to mix all of that in a bowl. So my liver's in there. By the way, you can use lamb's liver, chicken liver for this, anything you want really. About 500 grams or 1 pound there. In goes the fresh chili. In goes that cup of onions cut small. The salt and the pepper. The powders, 3 chili, 1 coriander, turmeric, cumin. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. Then 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Whatever you call that. We're going to give this a mix. We're then going to cover this, put this in the fridge for about an hour. Let it do its thing. Okay, so I've got my pan on, just above medium heat. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil, you could be using something different. We're going to drop in all of those spices. So I've got 1 dried red chili, a little bit of cinnamon, 3 green cardamom, like a teaspoon of cumin, some black peppercorns. Beautiful. I'll leave the list of everything below. We're just going to run some heat through this for a few seconds. This will infuse the oil. Then I'll be back. Beautiful. Okay, we're now going to get our mixture that we made and drop it in. We're going to fry this around for about 5 minutes. Keep it moving. So quick, so easy and so delicious. That's just 5 minutes. We're going to add a little pinch of Garam Masala powder, which is a nice kind of finishing powder. Just a pinch or 2. And then we're going to let it go now for just a couple more minutes with the heat just a bit lower. Super fabulous. Off goes the heat. Little bit of cilantro or coriander, 1 mix, job done. It's so easy, it's so delicious. I love this. Okay, there you go. It's really, really beautiful. It's really quick. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.